Hey guys, and welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I will show you what this Ceramila Beauty Cypress Rotundus Oil is, what it offers, and how to use it. So, let's get started. According to the official websites, the Cypress Rotundus Oil is basically a natural skincare oil designed to be used after hair removal. The company says it helps support slower hair regrowth while leaving the skin feeling smoother, softer, and more hydrated. It is intended to be used as a part of a regular post hair removal skincare routine. According to the website, the formula contains a lot of oils or seed oil, Rotundus seed oil, or the full name is Cypress Rotundus seed oil, along with ingredients such as jojoba oil, as you can see, sweet almond oil. So as you can see here, they will give you the ingredients. Also, this is the hero ingredients or the main ingredient, and of course, a short description of what the ingredient does. And of course, the company says that these ingredients helps nourish the skin, soothe its irritation after hair removal, and support smoother looking skin with continuous use. And before purchasing, you can take a few minutes to review these ingredients and products information carefully. Since skincare products can affect everyone differently, it's always a good idea to do your own research and make sure that the product is suitable for your skin before placing an order. And according to the official website, how to use it. So you'll have to start by washing the treatment area with warm water and gentle cleanser. Then dry the skin completely. Then company also recommends gently exfoliating the area once or twice a week. Apply a few drops of the oil on your hands, massage it into the skin using a circular motion for 1 or 2 minutes, then leave it on without rinsing. And of course, the website also recommends applying the oil once or twice daily on the same area for the best results. So if you decide to purchase the products, of course, you'll have to visit the official Caramella Beauty website, choose the preferred package depending on what you want. As you can see, so they do have multiple packages. And then just go and proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping information, payment details, and follow any other on-screen instructions. But before completing your purchase, always review the pricing, shipping information, return policy, so you know exactly what you're ordering. Taking a few extra minutes to review these details and doing your own research is always the best. And of course, if you have any other questions, you will find at the bottom of the page a frequently asked questions section. If you have any of those questions, also you can join here. As you can see the club, and I guess you can ask questions to the community if they do have any. Maybe they do have an answers for any of other questions that you may have. And of course, as with any care products or skincare products, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor or healthcare provider before using it. If you have some sensitive skin or existing skin condition, also make sure to do your own research and only continue if you're comfortable with the products and its claims. So if you found this helpful, hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.